Hi, I'm Ben from Second Dynasty. We make 3D printable spaceships for tabletop gaming. And this time, we're back with our latest officially licensed traveler campaign featuring the small craft of the Third Imperium. We are introducing 4 new ships to our lineup. The 20-ton Launch, the 30-ton Ship's Boat, the 40-ton Pinnace with functioning swing wings, and the versatile 50-ton Modular Cutter, complete with mechanically detachable modules. Our 20-ton Launch is a perfect first-time 3D printing build. It takes just 3 to 4 days to print, uses only 450 grams of PLA filament, and our build plates will get you printing in a matter of minutes. And for the first time ever, we are offering a limited print run of 20-ton launchers to traveler and science fiction fans without a 3D printer. We need your help to get our project funded. And by participating in the comments section and spreading the word of our campaign on social media, you'll help unlock a variety of social goals that will add additional value to your pledge. Even when we reach our funding goal, the journey is still not over, and additional funds will unlock further stretch goals such as alternative cabs, engines, cutter modules, and even entire ship variants. If you're late to the party, we're even offering access to our massive back catalogue of official Traveller 3D printables, which include 28mm figures, vehicles, starship miniatures, and full-size ships such as the mighty Beowulf and the Type S scout ship. We'd love to bring additional Traveller designs to your tabletop, and supporting us ensures that we can produce additional content for years to come. With your help, let's launch our small craft into orbit and bring the backbone of the Third Imperium to life.